Hello. Okay, so let's walk through the assignment that is for Wednesday, April 20, what is Wednesday? Wednesday is the 22nd and Thursday the 23rd. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go into your assignments and you'll see it right there, April 22nd, April 23rd. You're going to click on that. And we're continuing to learn about the two types of forces, contact and non-contact forces. So you're going to want to click this and that will start a YouTube video. Okay. And the other thing you're going to want to do is click on types of forces duck. You're going to want to open that and you're going to want to save it because you're going to be typing in it. So hit OK. Open up that document. Looks like this. We have a nice little graphic organizer here, and you can do this by hand if you'd rather put this on paper, or you can type into it. As the video plays, you're going to go here and just type your answers. And you can get rid of the lines if you want to, like that. Just erase them if they're in your way. And then you'll have a nice set of notes when you're all done. You'll want to do File, Save As, and then you will just submit that to this assignment. And that's it. That is your lesson for Wednesday and Thursday. Bye.